Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. Today we will learn about Panadol. Panadol contains paracetamol. It reduces fever. It relieves headache and toothache. It also relieves muscle pain.
Panadol works in different environments. It smiles after headache treatment. Patients feel toothache relief. Children rest comfortably with fever.
Adults and children aged 12 years and above usually take 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours if needed.
Children should receive Panadol according to their age and body weight. Always use the measuring syringe or cup provided with the medicine. Never guess the dose.
Never take more than the recommended dose. Taking too much paracetamol can seriously damage the liver. Do not combine Panadol with other medicines containing paracetamol. Always consult your doctor or pharmacist before using Panadol if you have liver disease, kidney disease, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if your symptoms continue for more than a few days. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, use medicines responsibly, and always follow your doctor's advice. Please like, subscribe, and share.